Tired of juggling 100 different subscriptions? One for your breakdown cover, another for your phone insurance, and yet another for travel? What if I told you that you could simplify your life, save money, and get a bunch of other perks all in one place? That's the promise of Monzo's paid plans, specifically Monzo Premium and Monzo Max. Now, Monzo has a few different paid plans, but these two are packed with the big stuff. Let's break down what they offer and who they're for. First, let's look at Monzo Premium. The key word here is protection. This plan is built for people who want peace of mind. It includes comprehensive worldwide travel insurance and phone insurance. If you're a regular traveler or someone who can't bear the thought of a cracked phone screen, this is a huge win. The travel insurance covers things like medical expenses, trip cancellation, and lost luggage, while the phone insurance protects against loss, theft, and accidental damage. You also get a slick white metal card that feels, well, premium. Now, let's turn to Monzo Max. Monzo Max takes everything from the Monzo Perks plan and bundles it all up with even more insurance. Think of it as the ultimate upgrade. So, you get all those amazing daily perks, like a weekly Greg's Treat, an annual rail card, a monthly View Cinema ticket, and an annual Uber One membership. But on top of that, Monzo Max adds worldwide travel insurance, worldwide phone insurance, and UK and Europe breakdown cover. And for just a little extra, you can even add your family to the insurance policies. This is the plan for a busy life, where your bank account is not just a place to hold money, but a tool that genuinely works for you. So how do you choose? Well, it comes down to what you value. If you travel a lot and want to protect your phone, Monzo Premium is a great shout. It's a focused plan that delivers on its core promise of insurance and a few other nice-to-haves. But if you're a person who wants it all, daily treats, travel cover, phone insurance, and the security of breakdown cover, then Monzo Max is the clear winner. It's a complete lifestyle package that simplifies your subscriptions and offers a huge amount of value for money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.